Hi and welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 7th of April 2026. So Trump threatens to take out entire country of Iran tomorrow night. Free traffic of oil in Hormuz, that's the deal. I have the best plan of all, won't tell you what it is, that's because he doesn't have one. And that's going to be 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, early hours of Wednesday morning. Yes, it's Tuesday today, isn't it? Bitcoin bid, but most markets may ahead of, or meow, I don't know what that is, ahead of Trump's Iran deadline. I'm a bit too old to know what some of these abbreviations are, but Taco Tuesday again, terrible turmoil or termination of troubles. And finally, US stocks edged mild gains despite Trump's Tuesday evening deadline for Iran. So that's obviously Tuesday night US. But we've had a bit of a change of heart already. Iran war latest. Trump hints he may end conflict to keep Americans happy. No, he knows he's not going to win. That's the reason behind that particular headline. Other economic news for today, we got core durable goods and durable goods orders, so they're not going to take any notice of that. We've also got FOMC meeting minutes this week as well, along with GDP and CPI on Friday. So the market might pay attention to that, given that fuel prices have gone through the roof during the last month. Right, let's have a quick roundup of the markets. Obviously, it's been fairly quiet, so just have a quick whistle-stop tour over where they've been over the last couple of days. Bank holiday yesterday in the UK, and just see what basically is the current state. So let's kick off with the Dow. So in the Dow for yesterday, the market was up. Usually is when the rest of the world are closed. So down on the overnight, so not a lot to report really, but like I say, should have a quick look, see where we are. We were up during the actually it was the cash market yesterday. The US were actually open, as the rest of the European markets that were closed, but overnight coming back to where the market basically took off there. Let's have a look at the German DAX. And in the German DAX electronic yesterday, market putting in a bit of weakness, and that weakness following through on the overnight there. 30-minute charts, we had a spike up with the US markets yesterday. We also gapped up, but we've since filled that gap as well. A bit of weakness around. Obviously, everybody's going to be waiting with bated breath to see if the lunatic will actually go ahead with the 1 p.m. or we go, push back for another 10 days, or he comes up with a pack of lies and says that he wants to keep the American people happy, they don't want war, which I think is probably going to be the latter, to be honest with you. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. And in the S&P 500, it too yesterday was up, which you can see there, and the 30-minute chart just stuck in the sideways range and dropping a bit overnight, but trying to get back to the DP at the moment. The FT 100 cash market was closed, but the electronic moving higher yesterday, but coming back down overnight. Good move back though for the FT. I mean, considering there is a war on at the moment, these markets are incredibly resilient. We also see the 30-minute chart moving up sharply there on the electronic, overnight moving higher, but at the moment coming back there, as we can see, stuck it in the sideways move. And in the Nasdaq, the market also moving higher in sidebar at the moment for the for the daily chart, and in the 30 minutes you can see we're sideways for yesterday, which you'd expect, down overnight, and then just trying to get back above the DP during the current electronic trading session as well. Let's have a look at the US dollar. And currently the US dollar is still sitting around the 100 level there, stuck in the sideways range. Obviously, again, every market waiting to see if Trump does decide to go ahead and follow through with his threat. Metals, let's have a look overnight in Shanghai. We're at 81 at the moment. And also, let's just have a look and see where we are as far as the premium is concerned. There's a premium of 8.73. The gold-silver ratio is very quiet, stuck in a range, but again, we can expect that at the moment. and the pressure in the stress in the COMEX is currently at 85 there as well. Let's have a look at the metals. And in the silver market, prices were down the last time they traded. Did they trade yesterday at all? Yeah, they did. The electronic session there, down and then back up. You can see prices are sideways there. In fact, I say down and back up, but I think this is a bad tick in this chart that we see overnight here. I can't see that in any other platform, so this 68.30 is not real. So we're stuck in a bit of a sideways move there, which carries on all the way through. If you ignore this, it'll disappear off the chart shortly. In the gold market, also stuck in a sideways range, down a bit on Friday, sideways inside bar for yesterday, and in the 30-minute chart, stuck at the DP at the moment. So there we go. Let's have a look and see what's happening overnight. Let's say this is just a quick look at see what's happening. 2-minute German DAX at the moment trading down, as we can see there. Just having a look. We've got no DPs or anything because obviously the market was electronic yesterday, so everything will sort itself out today, and then everything resumes back to normal tomorrow. So there we go, just a quick roundup. The one thing that I haven't shown you, of course, is crude oil. As this threat looms, we're sitting at the moment around the 111 to 113 level. So yeah, it's not going to help matters whatsoever if, like I say, the lunatic decides to go in and bomb all of the gas and oil plants in Iran at 1 a.m. tomorrow morning for those of us that are in the UK. Right, that's it for this one. Let's see what happens. Despite that, it's going to be a nice day today, sunny day. So enjoy the weather. It could be our last one on planet Earth. And yeah, let's see what events take place overnight. So with that, have a great day. And as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.